Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 PC suddenly has no sound, you're not alone. This happens a lot. Today I will show you 5 quick fixes to get your audio back in minutes. Okay, the first thing you might want to do is to check if you have a speaker, your speaker is working properly, there is no physical damage to the cable, and your speaker is connected to your PC and the speaker is on. The next thing you want to check is to see if your speaker is muted or not. So you go to your Windows, you go to the speaker icon, you click on it. As we can see right now it's on mute, and we click on it and we increase the volume and we can see the problem is fixed. Okay, moving on. If your problem is not fixed yet, and as you can see the speaker is not mute and it's on 100% but there is no sound, you can go right here, select the sound output, and to see if your sound output for your speaker is on the correct one. As you can see it says speaker Yeti X, but Yeti X is my microphone, so I will choose my speaker, which is this one, the correct one. And as you can see, once I click on it, you can hear the music that I'm playing and my problem is fixed. If you still have a problem, let Windows fix it. Go to Settings by holding Win plus I, then go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and click Run next to Audio. If you still have a problem, you can go to Services, and once you go there, you can scroll all the way down until you find Windows Audio. And once you find Windows Audio, what you can do is to click on Restart, and once you restart it, your problem might be fixed. Keep in mind that everything I say in this video are based on my experience, and I'm just showing you what worked for me. Another thing that can cause problems for your sound is old or corrupted drivers, which can break the sound. Open Device Manager by holding Win plus X, expand Sound, Video and Game Controller, right click on your audio device and choose Update Driver. After updating the driver, make sure to restart your computer to see if your problem is solved or no. Another thing you can do is to update your PC. Make sure to keep your PC up to date, because updating your PC many of the time can solve your issues. That's it. These were few of the things that you can do to restore sound on Windows 11 that are based on my experience and it worked for me. If one of these worked for you, hit the like and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop question below if you're still stuck.